Hello and welcome back to Language Player's How-To series. In this video, I'll start with the Media tab and show you how you can view a video in Language Player. So when you first study a language in Language Player, you will be greeted with this interface where you can choose among the videos that are recommended to you. So this is your recommendation stream. On the top, there's a video that is recommended to you. You can just simply click on this button to play and learn, or you can choose any of the videos here that's recommended to you, or you can dig into these additional categories. Let's start by, for example, watching this video. After studying this video, if you want to go back to the same media home screen, you can simply click on the media menu icon again to return to the media homepage. So you can pick other additional videos or go to other categories. Alternatively, you can simply click on the next button in the video control to go to the next item in your recommendation feed. Next, next, next. And notice that if you go back to the media homepage, the video that you were previously viewing collapses into this mini player. If you want to go back to the video you were viewing, simply click on the expand button right here to go back to the video you were viewing. All right, so that was the basics of how to view videos in Language Player. I'll see you in the next video.